of change, biding its time. Life stays a frozen frame, frayed, pale with sands of time, feeling forlorn. And I see the gray gloom in starless skies, and I hear the woeful notes in pining larks, and I see the wilting blooms of lavender. Over and over the secrets the shore, over and over the hues wait for dawn. Ever forever I'm home in your arms, ever forever I give you my soul. Faith, hope, turn the tide, stars collude and pave your path, leading to mine. Destiny stays by me, thousand suns adorn my sky, splendor divine. Now that you are here, the dew glistens again. Now that you are here, the breeze whispers again. Now that you are here, raindrops can dance again. Over and over the secrets the shore, over and over the hues wait for dawn. Ever forever I'm home in your arms, ever forever I give you my soul. Winged hearts soar the sky, sunshine, light my life. Over and